Hello. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you some of the useful commands that you need if you work using Linux. These commands are mostly used by developers, by system engineers, by system administrators in order to identify what is eating up the resources of the Linux machine. One of the commands we are going to check is the ps aux. This command, the A shows processes of all users. We have U, which shows user or owner of the process, and X shows processes not attached to a terminal. So with this very command, you will be able to see all the running processes on the machine. So usually, sometimes you might need to kind of kill a process if it is eating up a lot of resources. But in order to kill a process, you need to be sure what process you need to kill. Otherwise, it might be a process that does like that might cause some more issues if you have them killed. So it is important to know what process to kill. Sometimes you want to sort the CPUs, for example, in order to identify what's eating more of the resources. So in that case, you can use sort, then CPU head. So what you are looking at now, usually when you issue this command, you are going to find the top consuming, what is eating up the CPU most, or the top CPU consuming processes. So those are what we are looking at now. You can also do something similar in order to see the top memory consuming processes. In that case, we can change CPU to memory. Or rather, now with this we can see the top consuming consuming the memory more than others. So that's what you use this command to view. You can also use the top command in order to view interactive real-time view, to have interactive real-time view of the processes. Top, you just issue this command. With this command, you will be able to have even more view of what's happening. As you can see, this is updating real time. Here you can see the process ID, the user, the CPU, the memory, and for how long they've been running, and also what command is kind of owns what process ID. So these are some of the very important commands that you need to know if you work with Linux machines. So I hope this has been helpful. If so, can I ask you to subscribe to my channel, to like, and to share.